Google search bar, write Canva download for Windows. Hit the first link here to go to the Canva official web page. Hit download Canva for Windows. In the bottom left corner, you will see Canva exe file started download into your laptop. Just give few seconds for download the Canva exe file. Canva into Windows 10 operating system in my laptop. This is the welcome to the Canva app. I need to log in. So hit the continue in the browser. Open another tab. So there is a few options pop up. So you need to choose which options you want to sign up Canva. So for my case, I prefer continue with my email. So you need to write down your email address over here. Hit continue. So they sent up a code into my email address. So I need to give the code here. So you see, this is the main interface of Canva, and Canva is installed into my Windows 10 operating system. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.